spank me?
Oh, I'm gonna spank you real good, you little slut.
Yeah, you can spit my fucking mouth?
Oh my god, I'm gonna grab your dick as my fucking grip, and I'm just gonna do you so right.
You're such a good boy. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with my asshole? Tell me.
Let me tell you what, my boy. First, let me ask you this: how old are you?
Oh, I'm 16.
Get the fuck out of here! Don't press the red button. Get the fuck out of this kingdom. You sick, disgusting fuck.